So you mean to tell me that I was arrested upon entrance of the Warren County Regional State Federal Detention Lockup? I was hospitalized, never seeing pretrial or nothing, rejected, sent to the medical center for an extended stay in the ICU from the 7th at night to the 8th, the next night, the 9th, the 10th, and the 11th. And I got out of the hospital, and then I still didn't get to go in front of a judge, and y'all appoint me a lawyer while I'm not even in the courtroom. I mean, and she got to come to me and talk to me in a wholesale, but will not bring me out in front of the court, and y'all give me bonds. The only way I can get out, and I mean, damn. I mean, how long do it have to be when y'all arrest somebody for an alleged traffic stop that y'all need to get them in front of the judge or the courtroom? I mean, 7 days, 4 days, what? How many days is it? Because y'all know for a fact that no judge seen my face before I was released. Y'all know that's a fact. Let's get together. Please do. 5 police videos, 1 intake jail booking video, and for real, you can go down there and get all them videos from the intake of the ICU too. You can get all them. And whoever, whatever judge wants to be on it, you can be held responsible for it, because if you don't make them get them, or you try to go without them, you see what I'm saying? You're gonna be held liable, and you're gonna pay a maximum remedy. What is wrong with you? Yeah, you're gonna carry this maintenance. Get that straight. So what are y'all waiting on? Can one of y'all call me and tell me to go to the Minister of Finance, please? Shit. Y'all wrong, not me. I'm sorry I'm cussing. I'm sorry I let y'all get me upset. I mean, how many people do y'all do this to? Tase them in handcuffs 11 times and put them in the hospital. Make them pee and body feces everywhere. You in here tasing somebody in handcuffs, got them pooting, blowing, throwing up, doing all this stuff. I was sitting there, it's not about y'all's names. Y'all know who done it. I'm not going to say no more names. Shit, I'm not going to say no more names, because y'all know that I know exactly who they are. I apologize. I don't want nobody help me. Y'all don't need to stand up for my rights. I do. I'm sorry. I was scared. I thought there was people that was more powerful than you, but apparently they ain't. I'm more powerful than you because you don't own me. You don't own my living body. What is wrong with y'all? It's the exact shit y'all do. The exact shit y'all do. Y'all lie on somebody, make them feel like that you own them and all kind of shit. Slam them behind bars. Now what kind of shit is that? That's not me. Shit, you could let me be free. Can I get 30 acres and a mule, please? I mean, shit, y'all have done enslaved me. I mean, y'all done forced me to spend at least 10 years of my life, and y'all buried the fruit for my labor. I didn't. Took everything I had. I didn't. Y'all owe me. I don't owe y'all shit, and I'm not giving y'all nothing. I'm not giving y'all nothing. The next move is y'all gonna give me some assets.